December, everybody. I'm Gail Hoppe. I'm a mom of 5 and a Bethel Park school director, and I'm inviting you to join me in January for some very practical parent workshops to help us tackle tech with our kids. The content is from Common Sense Media, a nonprofit organization that's dedicated to helping parents and caregivers build a digital world where our kids can thrive. You do not want to miss this series of workshops. They're free and they're amazing. So sign up at the link and join me in 2023, and let's make this next year a year of digital health for our families.